Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about the methods of preparation of phenols. That is, one from ethyl alcohol to form diethyl ether. Ethyl alcohol, when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 413 Kelvin temperature, dehydration takes place to give diethyl ether or ethoxyethane. And the another method is Williamson's ether synthesis. Here in this Williamson's ether synthesis, we can prepare both symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers that already we have seen. Now let us come to the reactions of ethers. Reactions of ethers. See, here involving this the reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. First one, reaction involving cleavage means breaking, cleavage of CO bond. Is it right? See, reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. Here, ethers when heated with hydrogen halides form two molecules of alkyl halides. Form two molecules of alkyl halides. See that we may write R O R dash here with 2 HX. We are going to get RX one molecule plus R dash X another molecule plus H2O and if you have symmetrical ether ROR means R dash is equal to R, then we are going to have 2HX 2RX plus H2O. Is it right? See, ethers when heated with hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides. See, with excess of this hydrogen halide. Suppose if you make use of a limited amount of alkyl halide, we are going to get a molecule of alkyl halide and another molecule of alcohol. That also let us write R O R plus HX. We are going to get RX plus ROH like this one. See, this is ether, and this is alkyl halide, and this is alcohol. Alcohol. See, alkyl, aryl ethers react with hydrogen halide to form phenol and alkyl halide. See, it is because of partial double bond character between carbon atom of benzene and oxygen due to resonance stabilization, or you may write resonance effect. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಲಿಫೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಬರೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಎನಿಸೋಲ್ OCH3. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ, ಇದು ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಟಮ ಇವೆರಡು ತರ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಐತಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಕೈತಿ? ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್, ಸಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ plus HCl heated. We are going to get phenol. Benzene ring OH plus CH3Cl. So this is anisole, or you may write phenyl methyl ether, or you may also call it as methoxybenzene. Okay? And this is phenol, and this is chloromethane, methyl chloride, chloromethane or methyl chloride. Suppose if ether contains different alkyl groups, then it forms alkyl halide derived from smaller alkyl group and alcohol derived from bigger alkyl. If ether contains different alkyl groups and heated with hydrogen halide gives alkyl halide derived from smaller alkyl group and alcohol derived from bigger or larger alkyl group containing more number of carbon atoms. Bigger alkyl group. Take for example. Note. Suppose if you take not right. CS3 O C2 H5 plus HBr ಇದು ತೋದ್ರೆ when you heat it see alkyl halide ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ alkyl group ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದು CS3 Br ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು alkyl halide ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ alkyl group ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ alkyl group ಅದೇನಾಗೈತಿ it forms alcohol C2H5OH ಹೌದಾ so methoxy ethane and here you are going to get bromo methane and it is ethanol see primary ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ with tertiary alkyl group so suppose ಈ ತರದಾಗ tertiary alkyl group ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ alkyl halide with tertiary alkyl group we get tertiary alkyl halide due to more stabilized tertiary alkyl carbocation ಹೌದಾ suppose if you take ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ CS3 CS3 CH3 ಆಮೇಲೆ here if you write O CS3 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ with HCl ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಕೈತ್ರಿ ಇದು alkyl halide ಆಕೈತಿ ಇದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ with tertiary alkyl halide ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this alkyl group we are going to get CS3 Cl plus CS3OH ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ alkyl halide ಆಗೈತಿ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ alkyl halide ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ಷರಿ alkyl ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ this is tertiary butyl methyl ether or you may name it as 2-methyl 2-methoxy propane ಇದು ಯುಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here we are going to get tertiary butyl chloride. alcohol ಬರುತ್ತೆ alkyl halide ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tertiary carbocation ಅಂತ ಇರಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ alkyl carbocation that is more stable. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Now coming to electrophilic substitution reactions in case of these aromatic ethers. Electrophilic substitution reactions in case of aromatic ethers. See, in case of aromatic ethers, in the benzene ring, aromatic ring, electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration, bromination, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions take place. So that let us see. Let me remove this also. Second is reactions of aromatic ethers having benzene ring. And in case of aromatic ethers, see, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at benzene ring. See, what are the electrophilic substitution reactions? That is nitration reaction, bromination, or you may generally call it as halogenation reaction, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, like that. And here this ether functional group that is attached to benzene ring is activating group, and it is ortho-para directing. Activity group and ortho-para directing group. See, second one is electrophilic substitution reactions. See, the alkoxy group attached to benzene ring is activating group. It means it activates benzene ring to undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, activating group, and hence ortho and para directing group. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ electrophile ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? Either in ortho position or in para position. See, first one, halogenation. First one is halogenation. See, this anisole when made to react with bromine in the presence of acetic acid, we are going to get orthobromoanisole and parabromoanisole. Let me write the self-explanatory reaction. This is what we call it as anisole. Methyl phenyl ether OCS3. This is anisole. Is it right? Now the reaction is with bromine Br2 in the presence of CS3 COOH as the reaction media solvent. And what we are going to get? We are going to get this one. Ortho-bromo-anisole. OCS3 here in the ortho position bromine. Plus what? Para-bromo-anisole. Para-bromo-anisole. See, OCS3 and in para portion Br. So this is ortho-bromo-anisole and this is para-bromo-anisole. Is it right? Now let us come to nitration reaction. Nitration reaction. See, when we subject it for nitration reaction, we are going to get ortho-nitro-anisole and para-nitro-anisole. See, anisole when treated with nitrating mixture. What is nitrating mixture? A mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. See, concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. This mixture we call it as a nitrating mixture. Is it right? So, what we are going to get? We are going to get here ortho-nitro-anisole. Ortho-nitro-anisole. NO2 group in ortho position plus para-nitro-anisole. OCS3 and NO2 group in para position. See, this is anisole, and this is ortho-nitro-anisole and para-nitro-anisole. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation means introduction of alkyl group into the benzene ring in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as catalyst. So that reaction we call it as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ catalyst ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? anhydrous aluminum chloride. ನೋಡಿ, anisole OCS3 anisole is made to react with CH3Cl alkyl halide, that is chloromethane. Reaction takes place in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as catalyst, aluminum chloride. And what we are going to get? We get ortho-methyl anisole OCS3 and in the ortho position CH3 group plus para-methyl anisole OCS3 in para position methyl group. Ortho-methyl anisole and para-methyl anisole. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Friedel-Crafts alkylation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ alkyl group, methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, like that. ಯಾವಾಗ Friedel-Crafts ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? catalyst ಯಾವುದು? anhydrous aluminum chloride. So anisole when reacts with chloromethane in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives orthomethyl anisole and paramethyl anisole. Then one more reaction here itself, let me write. Friedel-Crafts acylation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ introduction of acetyl group ಯಾವುದು CH3CO group. So anisole, let me write anisole OCH3 ತಿಳಿತಾ anisole acetylation ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ either you can make use of acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Let me take CH3COCl acetyl chloride. Reaction takes place in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, anhydrous AlCl3. So what we are going to get here, ಇದು OCH3 ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ OCH3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ COCH3 ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಇದ್ದು ಇನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ OCH3 ಇದು COCH3. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ orthomethoxyacetophenone and this is para-methoxyacetophenone. This is orthomethoxyacetophenone. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದೇನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is para-methoxyacetophenone. See, this completes the discussion of ethers. So far we have studied alcohols, phenols and ethers. In the next class we will start with a new chapter. Thank you.